Welcome to amuSABle gift shop. Today we are going to make something special. Of course with me, Madam Olivia. Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you. Alright, okay, let's start. Today we are going to make a butterfly puppet. And of course, you need to prepare some materials to create this puppet. First, you need some colorful construction papers, or you can have origami or kokoro paper or anything as long as it is full of colors. Then, you need two kinds of glue, the liquid one and the stick one like this. And of course, you need scissors. And you need some decorative buttons or beads or anything that can add some details for your butterfly puppet. And then you need a pair of googly eyes. And the last one is chopsticks. Okay, have you prepared them? Now, let's start. First, fold your construction paper. And then, draw a heart shape for the wings. Next, cut it like this. And ta-da! You have made the butterfly wings. Now, take your origami paper, then fold it 3 times like this. One, two, and then 3 times. Then open it. Now you have 8 parts and cut it all. Take 3 parts, then divide into 4 parts each, like this. 1, 2, see, you have 4 parts each. Or you can do like this. You still have 4 parts. Okay, now I will cut it all. Okay, now let's curl the paper like this and glue the edge of the paper. You see this glue or this glue, that's up to you. Like this. Okay, curl it and then put some glue and then stick it. Okay, do the next. repeat again. One more time. Curl. And then put some glue. Then stick it. Now we are done with all this part. Next, let's make the butterfly's body. Take one part of origami paper, then curl only the edge part, like this. And then, repeat the same step. Take glue, and then put it like this, and stick it. You have the head and the body. Now, let's make the antenna for the butterfly. Take another part of your origami and then cut it like this. Just cut small parts. And then divide it into two again. But this time you curl with your scissors. And please be really careful. Curl it like this. Okay, I will repeat for the next antenna. Ta-da! You have your butterfly antenna. Now let's stick this onto the head of your butterfly. Now you have the body, the antenna. Now, let's paste all the body parts onto this wing. First, take the body part and then put some glue here. And then stick it like this. And then take all the curling parts and then paste it here, here. Now, let's stick the googly eyes onto the head using this liquid glue. Now, let's decorate the butterfly wings using origami. I want to make oval shape here and here, circle here and here. How to do it? First, I will fold the paper like this. And then I will cut oval shape. You have two oval shape. I will put it here later. And now I will make circle. Just repeat the same step. Now I will paste this paper onto this wing using this glue. will decorate this wing using buttons and beads. I will use this glue to stick the buttons and the beads. Then I will use these beads to make it more colorful. And I will use this glue again to stick those beads. Now, we will paste this chopstick at the back of the wings using this tape. Be careful when you put it like this. We are done! This is our butterfly puppet. Good job, everyone! By the way, do you know that we have a giveaway challenge? But how? Okay, I will tell you. Later, post the picture of your craft on your Instagram account and don't forget to mention @Sekolah Anak Bangsa. The winner or the best craft will get a prize. Wow! Do you know what is it? An art and craft kit. So don't forget to post your picture of your craft. And then don't forget to mention @Sekolah Anak Bangsa. Okay, this is the end of our session to make this butterfly puppet. And then stay tuned in amuSABle program in Instagram. Okay, thank you and God bless you.